Hi guys, it's Martin here again today. So we're going to be looking at this card, which is using Botanical Bliss stamp set. However, we are only using a happy birthday greeting, but the main focus of the card is this background, which is a watercolour effect, or ink wash effect, however you wish to refer to it as such. So let's put that over there. To start with, you're going to need the biggest acrylic block that Stampin' Up does, and I'm going to use Bermuda Bay, and I'm just going to plonk that down, get plenty of ink on there like so, and then I'm going to bring in a mister even, and just saturate it like so, so it pulls. Then I'm going to bring in the card, which is Smoky Grey, 21 centimetres by 7, folded in half, and I'm just going to put that down so it picks it up like so, and turn it round. So you can get multiple effects from this technique. I'm just going to plodge it down in place so we get this layering, and I'm just going to leave it like so and put it out of the way. So in good video fashion, I have got a card base pre-done for you all, so you don't have to sit there and wait. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using one of our Pearlized Doilies, as you can see here, which one side's just plain whisper white and the other's shiny. You can see it in below, can't you? So I have already gone and cut one in half, like so, and we're going to be using the Multipurpose glue just in places so it sticks down. Like so. Now I am going to position it slightly off the edge so we have enough room for all the other embellishments. Like so. Is that straight? There we go. And I'm just going to bring in the paper snips later on and just trim that off. What I've also got is a piece of Bermuda Bay Designer Series paper, and I've just cut it at a slight angle just to create some interest, and I'm just going to layer that over the top. For this you can use your snail, like so, just a little bit. What that will do is help reinforce the glue. Keep going down like so, and the sentiment now. So I've just got some scrap whisper white, and I'm going to use the everyday label punch just to punch out a small section like so, and I'm going to use my paper snips just to cut off the round bits on the end. You can keep them on if you like, it's just my preference for this card. I wanted to take them off. There we go. And I'm just going to stamp on Happy Birthday in my favourite black ink stays on, and line that up like so. I'm just going to stick that over the top like so. So I'm not too worried about all my edges at the moment, and that's purely because I'm going to have this strip of Smoky Slate, which is measuring at 0.5 centimetre. I've just cut some up. This was a scrap piece here, however for the purposes of the video I have had to cut some up, but that's fine. And all I'm going to do is screw it up to get that texture onto it, like so. Perfect. And that's just going to be layered over the top of the two together, and just take it to how the size that you want it. Just gonna trim that off there, and again just use the multi-purpose wet glue and just a little bit, because we're only going to be placing it on. So what the glue is going to do is just pinpoint where it's risen and where it's not, and it'll stick to it in them parts, like so. So all to finish it off is I'm just going to trim off the additional bits on the side, move them out of the way, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. However, you can go more extravagant. Originally this was an offcut to another card. Let's move my one today out of the way. And I've only just finished today, if I'm honest, because I wasn't 100% happy with it and how it turned out. However, I think it's okay. It's growing on me. I have got more projects coming using this technique, one of which is my August card swap, which you'll soon see next week, hopefully. So please stick around, like, comment and subscribe, or pop over to any of my social media pages listed below. Any information regarding Stampin' Up products can be found on my blog, or feel free to contact me, I'll be happy to help. Thank you.